Hello everyone! In this simulation, we're going to discuss brittle and ductile materials. Let's click on Definitions and go to Ductile. Recall that ductile describes a material that deforms plastically once the stress exceeds the elastic limit. So the ductile material deform elastically and plastically, so both have plastic and elastic behaviors. For small stresses, they stretch elastically, but for large stresses beyond the elastic limit, they deform plastically. Such materials are described as ductile. However, the brittle material describes a material which fractures or breaks without deforming plastically. So these materials only show a plastic behavior. They do not stretch beyond the elastic limit, but they only break at this point. Such materials are described as brittle, as shown in the stress-strain graph. So now we are able to differentiate between ductile and brittle materials. The ductile exceeds the elastic limit and deforms plastically. However, the brittle breaks at the elastic limit and only shows elastic deformality.